In this video, I'll show you how to put your PlayStation 5 in rest mode using your PlayStation Portal. This way, every time you want to play again, your PlayStation will wake up simply by using the portal. So what you need to do first is in the menu of your PS5, you need to go into the settings. So I'll go up where you see the cogwheel. From here, you need to go down and select System. Then you need to go down and select Power Saving. Select Features available in rest mode. And from here, make sure these two things over here stay connected to the internet and also enable turning on PS5 from network are both turned on the way you're seeing it. Once they're both turned on, to put the PS5 in rest mode, let me exit this menu. Okay, to put your PS5 in rest mode, click on the PlayStation button over here, go down, and in the settings we need to select the power button over there, click X, and select Enter Rest Mode. Click X and it will do it. Another way on how to do it is, let's say you're in a game, okay, simply drag from the top right corner this way to have the menu appearing, and then select Disconnect and make sure that Put Connected PS5 in Rest Mode is actually turned on, and then select Disconnect. And that's another way on how to put your PlayStation in rest mode using your portal. I hope this was useful. If so, leave a like, comment down below, and yeah, check my Amazon links in the description if you want to support my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.